Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to hashtag Tech Tips, hashtag TTSMG series of videos where we are going to answer the question that you post through a comment section of YouTube or through our social networks. So today's topic is about this Sony WI-C300 unboxing video which we posted in January, and it really did well on YouTube. So 47,000 views, we have 200 plus likes. Thank you for your love. And there was a lot of questions asking about the pairing issues with Sony WI-C300. So it's not connecting, why, and there's literally issues with pairing with multiple devices. So in this video we are going to trying to answer that question. We are giving you some tips so that you can pair with your multiple devices easily, and also to answer your question why this device is not pairing. So let's start, shall we? So guys, I'm using this Sony WI-C300 for quite a while now, and this is my favorite Bluetooth earphones of choice till date. The sound quality is just amazing, and the only problem is that the build quality is cheap, and some people are having pairing issues. In fact, even me, initially when I bought this device, I was thinking why it's not pairing and why is there so limitations. So first of all guys, you need to note that Sony WI-C300 is an entry-level cheap Bluetooth headset from Sony. Now because they are brand, so they are charging premium for the super cheap earphone, which makes it affordable but not really good. So the sound quality is amazing, build quality is okay, and the Bluetooth chip they are using is also okay. Now here's why. So Sony WI-C300 unboxing video did really well. Thank you for your love, and this is my favorite Bluetooth earphones just because of its sound quality. And a lot of you guys were asking about the pairing issues with WI-C300, and there was literally a lot of comments. Like each day I used to get one, like I have a Bluetooth C300 but not connect to my phone, I'm unable to connect to my iPad, and there's someone who is saying too expensive. And there's a lot of comments and some amazing comments as well, some appreciation. Thank you for that. Please tell how to connect. It's not connecting to Redmi 4. So in general, what I did is I now have this two phone with me, which is the Xiaomi Mi A1 and the Redmi Note 4. So one with MIUI, one with stock Android from the same manufacturer, so that there's no Bluetooth chip problem. So both are running on Bluetooth 3.0. And I don't think so even the WI-C300 is 3.0. I think it's 2.0 or even older, because as I said, they are using a OK chip. Now here's why. The Bluetooth WI-C300, the Sony Bluetooth WI-C300, can only remember one device at a time. Even my 900 rupees MI Bluetooth basic headset used to remember two devices simultaneously. It means that I can stream music from my laptop, and at the same time I can accept calls from my phone, which was really amazing. But Sony WI-C300 just can't do that. It only remembers one device at a time. It can connect only one device at a time. It can not even remember multiple devices. Only one device, that's it. So to demonstrate, what I will do is, first of all, you need to turn Bluetooth off all your nearby devices. I know that's a little bit weird, but turn the Bluetooth off all nearby devices, including your television, because last time I paired with my Fire TV stick and it always used to connect with the Fire TV stick. So turn the Bluetooth off for almost all the devices. Just keep the Bluetooth on of the device you want to pair. Now take your WI-C300, and it has power button here, as you can see. Generally you're using this, so you might know that, but just for demonstration. So you have this power button here. Let me focus a little bit, and you have to press this until you get multiple color light. So initially when you will press it, you will get a blue light. Keep pressing it until you get multiple color light. As you can see, now it has entered in the pairing mode. Now you should see WI-C300 in the pairing list of your nearby device, as you can see. And it should pair. And as you can see, it is connected. When it's connected, you can see the light is only blue. and if the light turns red, it means it gets disconnected and it will not go to the pairing mode. So let me demonstrate. So let me turn this Bluetooth off. Now as you can see, it still shows blue, which is surprising. Now if you try to pair with other device, it will just not connect, because WI-C300 can only remember this device. So all you have to do is turn the Bluetooth of this phone, okay, turn the headset off, okay, turn it back on, hold on for a few seconds till multiple color lights blink. So it's now again in pairing mode. I know it's really weird because any Bluetooth device can just connect if it gets disconnected from the other phone, but this is not the case with the WI-C300. You can see it's still searching. So WI-C300, it's get connected, pair, and voila, 100% battery. The battery life is really good on this WI-C300. The sound and battery is just amazing. Again, it's Sony. I don't know why they're using a just cheap Bluetooth chip inside. So now you have two devices connected to WI-C300, but surprisingly only one will work at a time. And even let me demonstrate. Okay, now this both device can remember WI-C300. Okay, so let me go to settings again, Bluetooth again, and both devices have remembered WI-C300 in their pairing list. So now all I have to do is turn this on. Okay, ready, steady, go. Now which will connect? What do you think? Leave the comment down below. And as you can see, the Mi A1 just got connected. Now again, this is an issue here, because what people do is they pair with all your devices, and when they turn the Bluetooth device, the near one will get connected, or the one which started first will connect it. But this is not the case with WI-C300. The first Bluetooth device that I paired was the Redmi Note 4. The second one was the Mi A1, and it remembered Mi A1 and not the Redmi Note 4. Even the Redmi Note 4 started the Bluetooth first, and it started connecting WI-C300, as you can see, but still the Mi A1 got connected just because Sony can just remember one device at a time. The last device it paired was this device. Now again, if you want to connect to this device, then all you have to do is turn the Bluetooth of the neighboring device or the other device, the last device you connected, okay, and try to connect from this device. And you can see connected. Even if it's not connecting or you are facing some issues, what I will recommend you is go to the WI-C300 if it's already paired and click unpair. Okay, once you unpair it, turn the WI-C300 off. Okay, turn it back on, put it in pairing mode again, and try to connect it again, and it should connect. Again, if you're facing issues with other devices, you can just do the same, just unpair it and pair it again. This is a little bit weird, I mean little bit extra steps just to connect WI-C300. It actually spoils the ease of use of Bluetooth earphones, but what we can do, they should use some 3.0 nearby Bluetooth chip, so it'll be faster. But this has NFC. Sony WI-C300 has NFC, so if you have a Samsung device or an iPhone which supports NFC, you can just tap to the back and it will get connected. So that's at least a good feature. Again, there also it will only remember the last NFC device it paired, so be ready for that. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope this answered your questions. And again, there was a guy who was asking that he's unable to pair this WI-C300 with his iPad. Now I have really no idea with the Apple device. I never tried it, but I've seen that in the forum or somewhere that the chip they are using is not supported by the iPad. It is supported with the iPhone. So someone in the comments was using this WI-C300 with iPhone, and his CD was also seems to be working. I'm still not sure. If you're just looking for an iPhone or CD, just give it a try. Borrow your friend's WI-C300, give it a try. So that's pretty much for this video. If you like this series, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.